Alright folks, I'm down in my building near my bike, and check this out. Can you guys see that? Again a cat. The cat keeps attacking my seat. Anyways, I'm just starting my bike to warm it up. My bike is on. I'm just keeping the bag in the car, and I'll tell you why I'm going in the car. Alright, the reason I'm taking the car is, as you guys can see, the seat, right? So this is the seat which me and Nishad are planning to make it like the Cafe Racer style. So I hope that'll be pretty dope. Alright, so I'm taking the car. The reason I'm taking the car is because I have to give him the seat. So if I go on the bike with this seat, I can't ride back. Nishad is getting his friend. So his friend is holding the seat on the bike with him. So he got that, but I have no one to accompany me. So I'm taking the car, and I will demonstrate my seat on Nishad's bike. So it's one and the same thing. The seat guy should get the idea what I'm trying to do. Yeah, and that's the whole plan. And I think now I should shut my bike. I was just warming it up. Engine sounds fast. No, it's fine. It's perfectly fine. Right. Alright, so just warmed up my bike, and just hopping in the car now. Getting in the car, and my battery is pretty low. I just shot the helmet video, which you guys must have seen. Alright, in the car is hot. Oh, it's too hot. Better put the AC on. Yep, I always put the windows down first because, well, that's, I think everyone knows that whenever you sit in a car, and if it's too hot, roll all the windows down first, let the AC go, blow all the air out, whatever. In my building, these guys park cars so close. I can never get a SUV in my life. My parking is so less here, you know. See that? I have to pass through this, and just see on my right side there is a wall. I actually take my car over this stupid mountain. You see, the whole car is tilted, and then I straighten my car because on the right side there's a big pillar. I mean, this is how my building is. Can you imagine? This is how my building is. It's alright, guys. I'm at the seat guy now, and this is the seat guy. Alright, he's at DN Nagar. It's just next to the metro station, like 5 minutes walk, next to the Yamaha showroom. I'm waiting for Nishad. Once he comes, I'll get the seat thing done. Check this out, how dirty this place has become. Mumbai cleanup session, man. What's BMC doing? God knows. Anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna wait for Nishad. I think I'll go and have some cutting chai till he comes. And well, he's the guy who also did my classic. You see that guy down? He's the guy who also did my classic seats. He also did my eliminator seat, my FC seat, you name it. All my bike seats, covers he's done. He's a basic guy with seat and seat covers, not majorly into modifications. If you're looking for any metal work or sheet work, there's some other seat guy. This guy is only for seat covers and basic stuff. So don't expect a lot of modification from this guy. But he's pretty good and he's pretty cheap. Alright. So waiting for Nishad. Till he messages me, I think I'll go have some tea. All tea stalls are moved, so trying a new beverage. It's by Real called Volo, cranberry and blueberry. I thought it'll be a nice drink, but it's a beverage, so not that great. Alright friends, so I am in the shop. It's a nice small cute little shop. Nishad is still not here. Nishad is still not here. I think he's late. Actually, he's getting a pillion rider to hold his seat, so that's why he's late. So I don't blame him. So I'm just chilling with him. His name is Akbar. Akbar ही बोलो ना. Akbar. हाँ. His name is Akbar. He's an expert in seat. All right. He's the one who did my classic seat, Royal Enfield Classic, my FZ Yamaha seat, and also my Eliminator seat. He's been there since years at.
Only 2 weeks.
Why is on? Guys, he's here since 12 years. He's doing seat work since 12 years, but he only does two-wheelers, so don't get your cars. Alright, this is only a two-wheeler seat shop, and he's pretty good. He's got equipment behind the shop, also the heavy equipment like a blowtorch and all that what you need for seat. So I have just explained him about my seat, what I'm about to do. I don't know if it's visual. I'll come that side. Yeah, so basically if you see this lining what he's done, that much of scoop will come little above and it'll turn in a nice concave way out here, and that'll be a different color panel, and the rest will be the stripes, but they'll be actually puffy. They won't be just lines, they will be puffy up, so they'll be comfortable for long rides, and hope this seat turns out to be good. You can see him, and finally he's arrived. There he is. I'm vlogging, man. I'm vlogging. He's late. He's 1.5 hours late. Look at my subscriber.
But फिर यहाँ से slope है. हाँ, ये मतलब almost ऐसा दिखता है ना, almost पूरा.
So I am done with my seat work. Now Nishat is explaining Akbar what he wants to do, because we are doing different styles. I am doing more of old school bars, and he's doing more of diamonds, which is also pretty cool, pretty dope style, and it suits him. He's a little short, so he's cutting the seat a little down, and he's making a diamond print. So hope for the best. Let's see. So those two dogs are lubricating his brakes, and Nishad's having a laugh. They just lubricated the disc brake. The third dog here. The third dog here. We have a live action going to happen now. What didn't happen? Oh. Well, we've given the order now, so we'll get the seat in 4 or 5 days. Right now, chilling with some tea. Too sweet for me, but it's cool. It's tasty though. Yeah. He's just booked a Gixxer, right? So he bought a Gixxer, and when are you getting that? 30. This month end he gets the Suzuki Gixxer. That'll be his first bike, epic. That's cool. So it was pretty good. Now heading home, both the seats are given. A little bit of a different style, but here and there. I hope he does justice. If nothing, we told him we'll alter it. And so I hope you guys stick with me. I will not release this video till I finish the seat. So it's been 2 weeks now, and I've given the seat. Tomorrow morning I have a ride, 8:30 in the night on Saturday. He's not showing me yet, he's still doing his work. Check it out. Alright, so that's the seat. He's using a staple gun, and this is live, guys. Check it out. Tomorrow I have a ride, 5 in the morning, and it's 8:30 today evening. I'm doing my seat. Alright guys, check the cafe seat. This is so dope. This is what I wanted. I have done the old school piping. He's done a great pinstriping work, which is the red color because the GT is red. And if you notice, I've scooped this behind. See it? Yeah, it's completely packed. There's only a curve down which goes in the bike. And check it out. This is a dope ass seat. If you can see, there's a little lift here, so the pillion seat is a little uplifted and more comfortable. I'm back. I'm a little happy. It's not exactly what I wanted, but the seat is not looking bad. So check this out, okay? Alright guys, I don't know if you guys can see the seat. So As I showed you, I've scooped this little bit like the Cafe Racer feel. I could not lift it a lot on top. It looked very bulky. I have raised this seat, the pillion seat, a little higher than the usual one to give that flow. So it's basically the flat, a little raise, and then just tucks here. This gives confidence to the pillion. Will keep the person upright. The flat seat could shift the pillion rider either behind or either in front. So I have made this small sporty scoop which comes up. I've done this pinstripe, and let's see the overall look, how it looks. And not too bad, better than the flat seat. And this is how it looks. This is how it looks from this. So it's, you know, I try to get that scoop so that it looks like a Cafe Racer seat. Yep. And the pinstripes are pretty cool, and as you can see, this is not stitched, okay friends, so water won't go inside. If you all are thinking this is stitched, it's not. It's actually pressed like that. The seat is pressed in certain way that it creates this effect and gives comfort also. Yep, so overall this is how it looks, and I'll be using this tomorrow for the ride. So I'll be uploading this video tonight, which is Saturday, and tomorrow I'm going for the ride in the morning. Hopefully the ride video will come tomorrow or maybe on Monday. So check this out. Pretty cool, pretty nice. Not exactly what I wanted, but still not bad. The reason is I wanted this scoop more curved, you know, like that, but it's not, it was looking very bulky. You know, it was looking very bulky from behind. It has to have the flat look because it's a roadster look, it's a Cafe Racer look, and that's why it's like that. So check this out. I'll just yeah, looks strong and steady, and let's see how it performs tomorrow. Well, the seat looks fine. Let's test ride it tomorrow. I have told Akansha to join me because tomorrow also we're going to a new place, and I'll make her sit and ask her how her experience is. But seat looks really nice. It's not exactly as I told you what I wanted, but it's pretty cool. So I hope you like the video, and I'll keep customizing my bike slowly. So stay tuned.